morning, students. In exercise 5.4, yesterday you finished up to 8th sum. Now we are going to do the remaining sums in exercise 5.4, that is from 9th sum onwards. So we know how to write a parallel line, perpendicular lines, how to frame the equation of the lines like that. 9th sum. From 8th sum, from 7th sum, in exercise 5.4, from 7th sum onwards, it comes under the category 5 marks. 9th one. In the 9th one, they give find the equation of the straight line through the intersection of the lines. Point of intersection means you have to solve the equations and find the common points. X to y using algebra, you have to find solving the two equations, you will get the point of intersection, that is known as point of intersection. Solving the two given equations, you will get the point of intersection, that is known. That is why that 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th sum and are coming under the category point of intersection. So, 9th sum, find the equation of the straight line through the intersection of the lines. Okay, two lines will intersect at only one point. When the line kuduttaanga, they give the equation for first line 7x plus 3y. So, I write it here, 7x plus 3y equal to 10. 7x plus 3y equal to 10. Next line is 5x minus 4y. I take this line as 5x minus 4y equal to what? So these are the two lines intersect at this point. So I take this point as, this is the point of intersection. Now, on the parallel to the line, so one line is in the point, through this point we can draw so many lines in the point of intersection only. They ask parallel to one line. Here they give one line. The line is 13x plus 5y, 13x plus 5y plus 12 equal to 0. 13x plus 5y plus 12 equal to 0. We have to find the equation of the straight line which is passing through this point of intersection. At the same time, it must be parallel to this line. Up in the point valiya ponu, the line is parallel. So, we have to draw like this. Point valiyavum ponu, parallel to this line. The line drawn in the color is the rectangular line. Appo point of intersection kandupidikano, you have to find the point of intersection kandupidicha piragu and the line ku parallel line ku form edukano, then you have to substitute the point of intersection. So we go to the sum. Now we solve, write the given equation. The equation of the straight line, the given straight lines are, the equation of the given straight lines are, while you are writing the equations, write one by one. Algebra solve pannீங்களா அது மாதிரி. X are 7x plus 3y is equal to 10. Bring the constant term to the right hand side. Another one equation, 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. Take it as first equation. This one you take it as second equation. For these two equations only you have to find the point of intersection. அப்ப ரெண்டையும் solve பண்ணு. Solving one and two. Point of intersection na rendu equation solve பண்ணு. Two lines intersect at one point. Here x coefficient is 7, here x coefficient is 5. They are not equal. Y coefficient also not equal. One equation multiply. We take the either x or y. So first equation into 7. Here second equation 7 multiply. First equation 5 multiply. I replace the x term. First equation into 5. Second equation into 7. Second equation into 7. That is, first equation 5 multiply. 7 5s are 35x plus 5 multiply. 5 3s are 15. Y is equal to 5 multiply 50. Next 7 5s are 35x. 7 minus 28y is equal to 7. Multiply once again we check. So FMA we mark numbers maybe not always. So by 7. Now change the sign. 35 same sign. So you have to change the sign. Minus plus minus. Algebra la padichadha adhe da, then the formula. That's a coordinate geometry. So 15 plus 28y. You have to add 15 and 28y. The answer is 43y is equal to 43. So y equal to 43 by 43. The answer is y equal to 1. Now substitute y equal to we can take either first equation or second equation. We take it as second equation. Write the equation again. 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. Okay, instead of y you have to substitute 5x minus 4 into 1 is equal to 1. 5x minus 4 equal to 1. 5x equal to 1 plus minus 4 and the plus 4. 4. So 5x equal to 5. X equal to 5 by 5 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Therefore, the point of intersection is, if it is in asking the 5 mark, up to point of intersection, if it is correct means you will get 2 marks. The point of intersection is 1, x is the first result, y is then. First you have to write x, then you have to write y. Next they ask parallel to the line. The equation of the line parallel to the line it is given in the question 13x plus 5y plus 12 equal to 0 is of the form parallel. No need to change the interchange the coefficients. So 13x plus 5y plus k equal to 0, where k is a constant. Now substitute the point of intersection. It passes through the point 1, 1. So substitute 1, 1. Substitute pannina. Instead of x substitute 1, instead of y substitute 1. It passes through the point. So 13 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus k equal to 0. அப்ப 13 plus 5 is plus k equal to 0. 18 plus k equal to 0. K equal to minus 8. So you are getting the answer as k equal to minus 18. So answer the question is find the equation of the straight line. So the equation of the required straight line is write the answer. Required straight line is what? 13x plus 5y minus 18 equal to 0. So 13x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0. There is no extra operation, only addition, subtraction, division, fraction la படிச்சது இவ்வளவுதான் படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. No extra calculation. Applying the formula you have to find out the answer. Algebra side அதே simplification தான். So it is easy chapter. Only few formulas you have to study. 10th sum. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines. Point of intersection நாலே இது ஒரு கோடு போட்டுக்கோங்க. So find the equation of the straight line through the intersection of the lines. Intersection means you have to draw the two straight lines. For first line I write it as 5x minus 6y is equal to 2. This is the equation of the first line. The equation of the second line is 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. The point of intersection we mark it as like this. For point only cross out. Next we give and perpendicular to the line. So here is they give one line. The equation of this line is 4x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. This point only pass on, it must be perpendicular to the line. So you have to draw line. The point only in the line is perpendicular. So this is the required line. So point of intersection you get one point and the line is perpendicular form substitute. So right. Let the given lines are, we write it as 1 by 1. 5x minus 6y equal to 2. Second one, 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Constant right hand side 5x minus 6y equal to 2, 3x plus 2y equal to 10. We take it as first equation, this one second equation. Solving. We are having first equation x coefficient is 5, second equation x coefficient is 3. So we multiply first equation into 3, second equation into 5. We are getting the answer as first equation into 3. 3 ஆல multiply பண்றப்ப 5 3s are 15x. 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணுங்க. So 6 3s are 18y is equal to 6. So 5x minus 18y is equal to 6. Second equation you have to multiply by 5. That is 15x plus 10y is equal to 20. 15x plus 10y is equal to 50. Y वाला multiply पढ़ो. So that is equal to 50. Now you have to subtract. So change the sign. While changing the sign, this will becomes minus, minus, minus. This term will get cancelled. So the answer is minus 28y is equal to minus 44. Minus 28y is equal to 44. We are getting the answer for y. So y is equal to minus 44 by minus 28. Cancelling means fourth table. We are getting minus plus 11 by 7. So y equal to 11 by 7. Substitute y equal to y equal to 11 by 7 in any one of the equations. We take it as second equation. Another 3 2 into the coefficient in second equation. Write the equation again. 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. So instead of y, you have to substitute. Upper 3x plus 2 into y 11 by 7 is equal to 10. That is 3x plus 22 by 7 equal to 10. For 3x equal to 10 minus 22 by 7. LCM between 70 minus 22 by 7, it is 3x. Upper 3x equal to 8, 48 by 7. So x equal to 48 by 7. Bring this 3 here. Cancel in 3 table. One time we have 16 times. So 16 by 7. So x equal to 16 by 7. Y equal to 11 by 7. Therefore, the point of intersection is x value. You have to write it first. Minus 16 by 7 comma 11 by 7. 16 by 7 comma 11 by 7. That is, here they ask it is perpendicular to the line. So the equation of the line, perpendicular to the line, four x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0 is of the form for perpendicular line, you have to change the coefficients. 4x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்ப x coefficient y க்கு போகும், y coefficient x க்கு வரும். That is minus 7x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. You have to change any one of the coefficients. I take it for change it for x. அப்ப it will become 7x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. It passes through the point. Passes through the point 16 comma 7 comma 11 by 7. Substitute பண்ணுங்க. So instead of x, 7 into 16 by 7 plus 4 into 11 by 7 plus k equal to 0. So 7 7 get cancelled. So we are having 16 plus 44 by 7 plus k equal to 0. So take 7 as the LCM. So 7 as LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா take 7. So 6 7s are 112. 6 7s are 44 plus take 7 as LCM. Cross multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 6 7s are 42, remaining 4, 112 plus 44 plus k equal to 0. Add பண்ணீங்கன்னா 6, 5, 1. 156 by 7 plus k equal to 0. So k equal to minus 156 minus 156 by 7. Now substitute this value because it is in the form of fraction. Because the equation is 7x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. Instead of k, you substitute 7x plus 4y minus 156 by 7 equal to 0. Taking cross multiply by 7. That is, take LCM as 7 or cross multiply. That is 7 எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 7 7s are 49x, 7 4s are 28y minus 156 equal to 0. Bring the 7 to the next side. So 49x plus 28y minus 156 equal to 0 is the equation of the Rakeyer line. The equation of the Rakeyer. Next one, 11th sum. It's same concept only. Point of intersection, last 4 sums. Find the equation of the straight line past joining the point of intersection of the lines and another one point of intersection of the lines. Totally they are giving 4 lines. So this is one line. Point of intersection of the lines in mark it as square. Okay. This is an answer 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is first equation. Another one, x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Another one, point of intersection they give. So for that also draw like this. It is 7x minus 3y equal to 21. First equation. Another one, 2y is equal to x plus 2. This is another one. For these two lines, we are getting one point of intersection. So this is one point of intersection. This is one point of intersection. We have to find the equation of this line. When the point is joined and the line or equation. So we have to solve this two equations. The two equations, we have to get the answer. So the equation of the straight lines are, the equation of the given straight lines are lines are 3x plus y. Bring the constant term to the right hand side. Arrange the terms like that. Next, x minus 2y. Bring the constant term to the right hand side. It is 4. 3x plus y equal to minus 2. X minus 2y is equal to 4. Take it as first equation. This one second equation. Solving. solving. First equation you keep as it is because 3x இருக்கு கீழ பார்த்தா for second equation you are having only x. அப்போ first equation you write as it is. Second equation multiplied by 3 gives 3x plus y is equal to minus 2. 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணுங்க 3x minus 6y is equal to 3 ஆல multiply பண்றீங்க 4 3s are 4. Change the sign minus plus minus cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா 7y is equal to minus 14 y equal to minus 2. Substitute in any one of the equations. Substitute y equal to minus 2 in second equation. Write the equation again. X minus 2y equal to 4. Y के पहले substitute करें. X minus minus 2 is equal to 4. अब x plus 2, x plus 4 is equal to 4. X equal to 4 minus 1 to minus 4 plus 4 comes to next side becomes minus 4 x equal to 0. So for one set of equations the point of intersection is 0 comma minus 2. Therefore the point of intersection is 0 comma minus 2 is 0 comma minus 2. For again another set of equation, the equation of the second set of straight lines. Straight lines are, write the equations again. 7x 3y minus 3y is equal to minus 12 equal to minus 4. Next one, x plus 3 is equal to 2y they are giving. So x you write as it is plus 2y and the minus 2y is equal to constant term. Constant term இங்கிட்டு வச்சுக்கோங்க. But the answer is ஏன் போய்கிட்டே இருக்கு. x minus 2y equal to minus 3. The given equation is 2y is equal to x plus 3 ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. x வந்து பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கும். So I write it as x plus 3 equal to 2y. அப்ப x y எங்கிட்டு வந்தீங்களோ minus 2y plus 3 அந்த பக்கம் போச்சுன்னா minus 3. So x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Take it as third equation. This one take it as fourth equation. Now you have to simplify. Third equation you keep as it is. முன்னாடி 7 இருக்கு. Second fourth equationல 1 இருக்கு coefficient. We can change it as multiply by 7. So fourth equation into 7. Third equation 7x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. Fourth equation into 7. 7x minus 14y is equal to minus 21. Here you have to change the sign. Minus plus plus. This term will get cancelled. Here 11y is equal to 11y is equal to, here you have to cancel. The answer is you are getting 9 plus 9. Therefore y equal to 9 by 11. So here also you are getting the fraction. So y equal to 9 by 11. Now substitute y equal to 9 by 11 in fourth equation. So write the fourth equation. x minus 2y equal to minus 3. X oda coefficient சின்னதா இருக்கனால I take that equation. So x minus 2 into 9 by 11 is equal to minus 3. அப்ப x minus 18 by 11 equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 plus 18 by 11. Take 11 as LCM. 11 LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா it is minus 33 plus 80. Subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா minus 15 by 11. X equal to minus 15. So the point of intersection is minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Now we are having 2 points. So by 2 point form, the equation of the required line is by 2 point form. Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா we take the points x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. For x1 comma y1 I take it as 0. First point we are getting 0 comma minus 2. This point minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Fraction like so do it carefully. Now you have to substitute. Appo y minus y1 it is minus of minus 2 divided by y2. Y2 value is 9. 9 by 11 minus of minus 2 is equal to x minus x1. X minus 0. X minus 0. X2 minus 15 by 11 minus 0. Simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா y plus 2 divided by 9 by 11 plus 2 is equal to x divided by minus 15 by 11. This is in the denominator. This is also in the denominator. So this can be written as y plus 2 divided by LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 9 plus 22 that is 31 by 11 equal to x by minus 15 by 11. We will bring it to the numerator. That is y plus 2 into reciprocal of 11 by 31 is equal to x into 11 by minus 15. Minus, so 11 get cancelled. We are getting y plus 2 by 31 is equal to 31 is equal to minus x by 50. Cross multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 15 into y plus 2 is equal to minus 31x. Bring the minus this side 15y plus 30 is equal to minus 31x. Bring the x down to this side. That is 31x plus 15y plus 30 equal to 0. 31x plus 15y plus 30 is equal to 0 is the equation of the rectangle. Is the equation of the rectangle. So this is the 5 mark question. If you know the method means it is easy to get 5 marks. 12th step. Find the equation of the line through the point of intersection. So the point of intersection. So draw one line like this. First equation is and bisecting the line segment. For bisecting you have to use midpoint. The line segment joining the points. Appa 8x plus 3y when the point of intersection வழியா போகணும். At the same time அந்த லைன் எது வழியா போகணும்னா bisecting the line segment. ரெண்டு லைன் செக்மெண்ட்டை ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்கு மிட் பாயிண்ட் கண்டுபிடிச்சா பாயிண்ட். So இதுல ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்டர்செக்ஷன், அங்க ஒரு மிட் பாயிண்ட். யூஸ் 2 பாயிண்ட் ஃபார்ம். சேம் லைக் திஸ் 11th sum. 8x plus 3y equal to 80. Another equation is 4x plus 5y is equal to 9. So you are getting one point of intersection. Here they go 2 points. 2 points means using 2 points we can draw one line. So 5 comma minus 2. This is one point. Another point minus 7 comma 6. Midpoint. So I take this is the midpoint. This is the point of intersection. I have to join these 2 points. Because they are midpoint in குடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால so this distance is equal to ரெண்டுக்கு இடையில இருக்கிறது midpoint. So point of intersection கண்டுபிடிங்க, அதுக்கு midpoint கண்டுபிடிங்க. You have to find the equation. So the equation of the given straight lines are the equation of the given straight lines are given straight lines are 8x plus 3y is equal to 80. Second equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 9. 8x plus 3y equal to 18. 4x plus 5y equal to 9. So I take it as first equation, second equation. First equation x coefficient is 8, second equation x coefficient is 4. அப்ப 8 வந்து இந்த 4 வந்து நம்மளால 8 கன்வர்ட் பண்ண முடியும். அப்ப செகண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் ரைட் as it is. Second equation you multiply by so first equation write as it is, or you can write it as divided multiply by 1. Second equation multiply by 2. இத போட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So 8x plus 3y is equal to 80. Second equation into 2. அப்ப again we are getting 8x plus 10y is equal to 80. So change the sign. Minus minus minus. This term will get cancelled. Here it is minus 7y equal to 0. So I am getting y equal to 0. So y equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0 in. Substitute y equal to 0 in second equation. Write the equation again. It is 4x plus 5y equal to 9. Y equal to 0 substitute. 4x plus 5 into 0 equal to 9. 4x equal to 9. X equal to 9 by 4. So the point of intersection is, therefore the point of intersection is point of intersection is 9 by 4 comma 0. Now midpoint. So midpoint equal to, we are having the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of the line segment joining the points the question they give 2 points. Joining the points 5 comma minus 4 and minus 7 comma 6 is add பண்ணுங்க is 5 minus 7 by 2 comma minus 4 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to minus 2 by 2 comma 2 by 2. So the answer is minus 1 comma 1. So now we are getting the 2 points. So we have to find the equation. The 2 points are, first point of intersection we found that 9 by 4 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 1. So the equation of the straight line is, straight line is by 2.1 y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Inside you write it as x1 comma y1 is equal to 9 by 4 comma 0, x2 comma y2 is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா you are getting the answer as y minus y1 0, y2 1 minus 0, x minus x1 9 by 2 divided by x2 minus 1 minus 9 by 2. அப்போ y by 1 or you can write it as y, that is equal to numerator you have to simplify. அப்போ 4x minus 9 by 4, this is for the numerator. Denominator minus 4 minus 9 by 4, cross multiplication. Now you know the method. 3 எழுதணும்னா ரொம்ப steps வரும். So y is equal to this 4 ஆல multiply 4x minus 9 by 4, here minus 4x minus 9, that is 4x minus 9 by 4. இத reciprocal போடுவோம், 4 by minus 13. 4 get cancelled, you get the answer as 4x minus 9 by minus 13. Cross multiply பண்ணுவோம், minus 13y is equal to 4x minus 9, x positive இருக்கு, so you bring it to this side, 4x minus 9 is equal to minus 13y. So 4x plus 13y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the required equation. This is the required equation of the line. Required equation of the line. So this is 5 mark question. Go through the example sum also. It is easy to get the marks. மனப்பாடம் பண்றதுக்கு எதுவுமே இல்ல. If you understand the concept, you can easily find out the answer. Only solving the equation, formula, substitute பண்ணணும். That's all. Okay, thank you students.